Ganda nito, color red, oh. Ay, naka-record pala ako. Hindi, joke lang. So, pag-usapan po natin yung pagkuha ng car. Ayan. So, kasi 'di ba, kumuha ka na rin ba ng kotse mo last year, 2 years ago, 3 years ago, or nagpaplano ka na kumuha ng car? Ayan. Bakit? Kasi alam mo naman, 'di ba, hindi naman madali mag-commute, 'di ba? For example, dala-dala mo 2 kids mo, pupunta ka sa Mega Mall, 'di ba? From Alabang or from somewhere. Ang hirap, 'di ba? Kawawa yung mga bata. So, yung pagkuha talaga ng sasakyan ngayon, necessity na, hindi na siya luxury. Okay? And kahit sobrang mahal nito, kasi milyones din ang halaga ng SUV o ng even nga yung mga sedan, milyon na din. Sobrang mahal, di ba? Kasi syempre, bibili ka lang din, you want the best for your family. Pero always based on your budget. Okay? Now, since this is a big purchase, I want to make sure. Ako po kasi by the way, I'm Zaldi from Sun Life. I am a risk management advisor. Ibig sabihin po nun, I want to make sure na yung property mo talagang sa'yo yan, whatever happens to you. Kasi ganito po, no? Normally, pag kumuha ka ng car, nilo-loan mo yan. And it's 5 years to pay normally. For example, 35 years old ka, kumuha. Pay off mo yan after 5 years, 40 ka na. And anything can happen, 'di ba? Hindi naman natin masasabi eh. What if we get magkaroon tayo ng critical illness? What if taken out of the picture? You want to make sure na yung coaching binili mo talagang mapapa sa family mo, mapupunta sa family mo, mapapasa mo sa kanila. Kasi ito yung nangyayari, no? For example, bumili ka ng kotse, 2 million. After 3 years, nagkaroon ng na cardiac arrest or nawala. Do you think instead na blessing, 'di ba magiging burden pa sa family mo 'yan? Paano nila isa-sustain or babayaran yung 40,000 monthly, 30,000 or 20,000+ monthly? Kasi may naiwan ka pang balanse na 1 million, 'di ba? So, yun yung gusto kong maiwasan natin. Kasi we have stories. It really happens, 'di ba? Um, meron kaming client, eto may Sun Life na siya, na cardiac arrest yung asawa, nung binigay yung 1 million, sabi nung tumanggap na asawa, sapat lang to para mas mabayaran namin monthly yung car loan na naiwan ng asawa ko. Kasi sobrang importante. Ayaw mo naman na nawala ka, nawala din yung kotse. 'Di ba? So, yun po yung pinag-uusapan natin. Kasi it's a big purchase and you want to make sure your property belong to you, belong to your family, kahit yung kotse. Yun nga po, ang pwedeng mangyari kung insufficient yung life insurance mo, pwedeng thank you na lang to. I work po before ako mag-Sun Life, BPO ako and nag-work ako sa tinatawagan namin yung mga sa US to US, no? Mga nagka-car loan. Yan. And nariripo po yan after 90 days normally. And tatanungin mo sila, bakit hindi nyo mabayaran? Kasi po, namatay na yung asawa ko. Yan. Kasi po, nagka-critical illness yung asawa ko. And sobrang, minsan iiyak pa yung, yung American, no? Yung client. Sobrang bigat emotionally, nawala na sila, naripo pa yung car. And sobrang importante ng sasakyan sa US. And same thing na din, sobrang importante po na may sasakyan dito sa Pilipinas. So, paano natin may iwasan yan mangyari? Kahit mawala ka, magka-critical illness ka, eto po yan. I'll show you a Sun Life product solution that can solve this problem and can give you peace that whatever happens to you, the car that you bought for your family belong to them. Hindi mariripo. Ayan. So for example, bumili ka po. Meron kaming tinatawag na 5-year fixed rate premium. So saktong-sakto to sa 5-year loan. Yung premium nito hindi magbabago for the next 5 years. And then, pag natapos mo yung car loan mo, up to you if you want to renew it again or i-terminate mo na. Discontinue mo na kasi okay na eh, na-pay off mo na yung car. For example, bumili ka ng SUV, halagang 2 million. Ito pong plan na to is 2 million ang death benefit nito kasi dinodoble po namin. Sa feature nito, 200% yung death benefit. Okay? So if you're 36 years old or 35 years old female na non-smoker, imagine for 2 million death benefit, ang huhulugan mo lang po annually is 7,940. Kung hindi mo kayang i-annual, nakabili ka ng car pero ayaw mo mag-annual, you can pay at least quarterly, 1,985. Kapag nag-loan ka po ng car, walang option. Kapag bumili ka ng car insurance, wala pong option na i-quarterly mo. Walang option na i-semi-annual mo. You need to pay the bank annual premium. Normally, 30,000. Pinakamababa na yung 25,000. Or kung may 20,000 pa, sige. Pero imagine, in-insure mo yung sarili mong buhay kay Sun Life for only 7,900, kapalit po is 2 million. And if death is caused by accident, we will pay your family additional 2 million. So it's going to be 3 to 4 million. Depende po, I'll send you the actual proposal if you will be curious enough to consider this. Okay? So sa male naman, for example, you're 40 na, for 2 million death benefit, 9,900 lang po. Okay? I-sustain mo lang for the next 5 years until mabayaran mo yung car. Then discontinue. Eh what if 3 years na lang yung loan ko? Okay, no problem. 3 years mo lang hulugan. 9,900 times 3, di ba? Kung 40 years old ka. If you're younger, mas mura. Okay? So, 2 million death benefit plus 2 million if death is caused by accident. Okay? So, for the actual proposal, my quote may not be accurate but I will give you an actual proposal. So, magkano lang to monthly? Imagine, no? Parang nag-Jollibee ka lang. But additional peace of mind na yung property mo, yung car mo, ano man mangyari sa'yo, masasustain mo, mahuhulugan ng family mo. Whatever the excess, for example, 4 million yung nakuha nila, 1,500,000 na lang yung balance, the 3 million belongs to them. They can use it for any other need na for education, to pay off other debts and obligation na naiwan mo. Eh, Zaldi, paano yan? Eh, yung ino-offer mo sa akin, death benefit lang. What if magkasakit ako? Yan. Don't worry, meron pa po kami. So again, the premium doesn't change for the next 5 years. Hindi po ito tataas. Okay? Ito po yung isa. Dito, kahit hindi ka nawala pero nagka-critical illness ka, syempre, paano mo mababayaran yung car loan mo kung hindi ka makapasok sa work kasi inatake ka or sobrang kidney disease or whatever. Knock on wood, of course, hindi ko sinasabing mangyayari sa inyo to, but what we are kumbaga trabaho ko po kasi to na make sure whatever happens, your property belong to you. Okay? So for example, 30 years old ka, kumuha ka ng car, worth 1 million yung car mo. 1 million face amount to. Ano lang po, 7,000, yan. Tapos, anuhin ko pa. Anyway, 7,900 lang. Okay, pag nagka-critical illness ka, mababayaran ka namin ng 1 million. Basta pasok yung critical illness sa plan na to. 36 covered critical illness. Okay? And if naman mawala tayo due to any kind of death, basta hindi ka nagpatiwakal, yan, mga ganun, no? Siyempre may investigation naman. We will pay you 1 million then, your family. If that is caused by accident, we will pay you double. It's going to be 2 million. Okay? So kung male ka na non-smoker, ito yung quote based on your age. Kung male smoker, ito po. So let me know so I can give you your exact premium na hindi po magbabago. Kasi for the next 5 years, fix po ito. Now, if you want to continue, what if gusto ko i-continue? Yes, pwede. Kasi, okay, pay off mo na na-pay off mo na yung car mo, pero gusto mo ulit kumuha pa ng additional car, pwede, di ba? Or kung dalawa yung kinuha mong car, ede yung halimbawa 2 million, ede ang kunin mo is worth 2 million. Di ba? Or, okay, na-pay off ko na yung car ko, pero I want to continue this coverage pa after 5 years. This insurance coverage po can be renewed. Renewable po ito. Tataas lang ng konti. Ibe-base na kasi sa actual age mo. Pero for the next 5 years ulit, fix na ulit yun. So, para saan? Ba't ko pa i-continue? For example, meron kang dependents. Yung anak mo ay 15 years old pa lang. You want to make sure na secured yung future ng anak mo. Okay? Na kung mawala ka, magka-critical illness, mapag-aaral mo pa rin siya sa gusto niyang kolehiyo. This one is something that you can also consider this plan. Okay? And then, you may discontinue na kapag na pag-aaral mo na yung anak mo. It was able to serve its purpose. And that is to protect what you already have. To protect the future of your family, to protect your property, and to protect lahat ng inaccumulate mo really belong to you and your family. Okay? So, contact us if you need to know more about this. Lalong-lalo na kung nagpaplano kang kumuha ng car, kung may existing car loan ka, and kahit wala, and kung may kakilala ka, no, you want to make sure their car belong to them whatever happens. Okay? Connect them to us. Thank you po. God bless.